Good afternoon, guys. This one again. This is the sandstorm coming suddenly. This guys, you cannot see the building really. You cannot see the building. Only near to my house you can see, guys. Yan. Oh my God, this is very strong. This is very strong. Oh my God. So how I cannot work now. I will not go out. You see that, guys? Oh my God! The sandstorm attack. Oh my God. Okay. So this is in our area, in Hawali area, guys. You see that? This is now the situation. This is the sandstorm. Oh my God. See, guys. So be careful, everyone, especially to kababayan, the one who drive. So I decide to cancel all my client for today. So I don't want to drive like this. You cannot see the road, you know, guys. See, I think no one's car. Yeah, there's no cars running out there. Yeah. So take care, everyone. This is in Kuwait now. What time? Around 2:30 afternoon. This is 2:30 afternoon, guys. See, look at this. You cannot see anything. See. Oh my God. Yeah. This is the situation now here in Kuwait. 2:30 in the afternoon. So guys, God bless us. Take care, everyone. Take care. Take care. Bye.